Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create an app guidance in Salesforce. This powerful feature delivers contextual help directly to your users, enhancing their experience. It is a fantastic, no-code tool for onboarding new team members, announcing new features, or guiding users through complex processes. You can choose between a single, focused prompt or a comprehensive, multi-step walkthrough to suit your specific needs. This makes learning and adoption much more intuitive and efficient for everyone. Before you begin building, strategic planning is key to effective in-app guidance. First, clearly define your objectives. What do you want users to achieve? Next, understand your target audience and their pain points to tailor your content effectively. Decide if a quick, single prompt is sufficient or if a more detailed, multi-step walkthrough, which can have up to 10 steps, would better serve your users for complex tasks. To build your guidance, navigate to Setup, then In-App Guidance. Here, you can create a new prompt or walkthrough. You will choose from 3 prompt types, floating, docked, or targeted, each serving a different purpose. Customize your message, which can be up to 4,000 characters, and select its position on the page. Crucially, you can define your audience using profiles and permissions, ensuring the right users see the right guidance. Once created, rigorous testing is essential to ensure your guidance appears correctly and provides meaningful assistance. Keep your messages concise and visually clear, using rich text options for emphasis. After deployment, actively monitor usage and engagement data to understand effectiveness. This feedback loop allows you to iterate and refine your in-app guidance, continuously improving the user experience and driving greater Salesforce adoption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.